Let's look at come and go. How are they different? Come depends on the current position of the speaker and the listener. It depends on where they are right now. If we are talking about going to the place where the listener is, we use come. If we tell the listener to go to the place where we are, we use come.
I'm just done working out. Where are you right now? Home. You are at home? Yeah, I'm coming. Coming home. See you soon.
Pascal used the word come because he is going to where the listener is. He is going to the place where the listener is. That's why he said, I'm coming home, because the listener was at home. Go. If we talk about going anywhere where the listener or the speaker is not there right now, we use go. Hey, Jim, are you going to Tom's house for movie night?
Oh yeah, sure. I'll be there. I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Okay. See you there. Pascal used go because he and Jim were not at Tom's house. They were not at the place that they're going to. That's why he said, are you going to Tom's house? Not coming to Tom's house.
I will be to Japan. Two friends talking, but none of them is in Japan. Going. I will be going to Japan. I will be to Japan. Two friends are on the phone, and one is already in Japan. I will be coming to Japan. Coming.
Thank you for coming. Don't forget to subscribe so I can keep making these English videos for you.